We'll guide you through how to use a phone, whether it's an iPhone or an Android, as a remote for your Hisense VIDAA TV. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This is really convenient to do because you can then go and be able to control your TV from your phone. To get started, go and have your TV turned on. If you don't have your remote, there should be a button at the bottom of the TV. On this TV, it's just to the left, the Hisense logo, quite far back, and you can press and hold that and it should then come and turn on. Just come onto your phone, whether it's an iPhone or an Android. Make sure it's connected to the same Wi-Fi network as the TV is. This phone it already is. Open up the App Store or Play Store, depending upon your device. I'm using the App Store on an iPhone. Go and press search in the bottom right, and then you can go and press search at the top, and you want to go and type in VIDAA, like so, and we can go and search for it, and here it is here. You can press get to the right, and we'll go and download it. It shouldn't go and take too long, as you can see. Then we can go to the right and go and press open. We can make sure you press allow so you can find devices on local networks. We'll press agree. Then we can go and press connect device, and it should then go and find it, as you can see. We're then given a pin on the TV, so we can go and type that in, and now it's connected, and we can press take me to home. And what you can then do is go and press remote at the bottom. And that's it. Now we can go and use our phone as a remote.